it going? I hope y'all are having an awesome day today. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Monica and I love to post sewing and fashion videos, so welcome. And for those of y'all who are long-term subscribers, welcome back and thanks so much for tuning in. So today, as you could probably tell by the title of my video, I'm filming my 10,000 subscribers giveaway, which I am so excited about. I hit 10,000 here on my channel a little while ago, and I've just been so excited about it. I'm sorry it's taken me a little while to get this giveaway together. It's been a pretty hectic month or two, but I've finally gotten everything together for it, and I'm sitting down to film it, so I hope y'all like everything. I'm super excited to be doing this. I can't believe I've hit 10,000 subscribers. I've probably said this in every milestone video that I've done, but I just can't believe it. I'm so in shock that 10,000 people have subscribed to my channel. It's just so cool. Like, that's such a huge number, and I'm just so grateful for all of you who tune into my videos and all the support you give. It's so cool to know that a hobby of mine like sewing has turned into something where people are actually using my videos and learning to sew and making their own clothes and sending me projects that they've made or pictures of projects that they've made. It just means so much to me that the time I put into my videos is so worthwhile. So thank y'all so much for sharing your success and for tuning in all the time, because it really means more than you'd ever know. It really means so much, your support. So thank you so much, and let's get into the giveaway. I'll go ahead and start with what you're gonna win first, because let's face it, that's the best part of the giveaway, and then I'll tell you how to enter after that. So the first thing you'll be winning is 5 of these black zippers, and I love to have zippers in my stash. I personally use these for makeup bags and shave bags and things like that, but you could definitely use them for clothing as well. And it's always nice to have these so that if you do come across a project that needs a zipper, you have some instead of having to run out to the store and get some. And speaking of things that I like to have in my stash, it's always great to have some backup elastic, so you'll be winning a 3-pack of this elastic. And it has 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch wide elastic in it. And I've used all these sizes in different projects here on my channel, so since I like to sew with it, I figured y'all need some in your stash too. And actually this shirt here, which I do have a tutorial for, I think used the 1/2 inch elastic. So yeah, you'll be winning a 3-pack of this, which is always great to have on hand. Now you can't sew without a tape measure on hand, and I'm always losing mine, so it's always nice to have a backup, and I thought this teal color was so pretty, so you'll be winning one of these as well. My favorite fabric to sew with, as some of you may have noticed, is stretch knit fabric, and I've gotten a lot of questions about why I like stretch fabric so much. And aside from the fact that you can make so many great styles in knit fabric, you can make practically every popular trend out there with stretch fabric, but aside from that, it's so comfortable for me to wear. I have some back problems and I've had some surgeries and things, so wearing the stretch fabric is really important for me in my daily life and comfort. I can't wear zippers, and I've got to keep everything I sew with on my channel as practical as possible for my daily life. So that's why I do sew with so much knit fabric, and you'll be winning some of that in this giveaway. And you can't sew your stretch knit fabric without ballpoint needles, so I've got a 4-pack of these ballpoint needles for you to win as well. My mom found this super cute little tin while we were shopping one day. It's got a vintage sewing machine and a lady chatting on the phone, and so she got this for me to add to the giveaway, so thank you so much to my mom. She's the best. And anyway, this will be the perfect place to store your needles or your pins, so you'll be winning this as well. And now to the best part of the giveaway, which is the fabric. You're going to be winning about a yard of this really pretty lightweight non-stretch sheer butterfly print fabric. I think the print on this is just so pretty and I love the colors, so I thought this would be a great thing to include into the giveaway. You'll also be winning a yard of this really pretty blue striped fabric. This is a stretch knit fabric, and I thought the colors were just really nice together, and I think it would make a great t-shirt or tank top or some sort of great layering piece for fall. I've saved my favorite fabric for last, which is 2 yards of this really cool chevron print fabric here. And I absolutely love this. I actually wish I would have gotten extra to make something for myself, but that's okay. I definitely wanted to give it away. It is so pretty. I love the color scheme on this. I think it's great for fall. And I wanted to get 2 yards of this so you'd have a lot of options of what you can make with it. I think it would make a really cute skater dress, or I made a cold shoulder dress last year that I think this would look really cute as. has. And of course you can make anything you want, but those are a couple of suggestions I have. So I really hope you like this fabric and everything I've put together in this giveaway. I've had a lot of fun shopping and picking things out for it, so I hope you like it all as well. To enter this giveaway, make sure to read the description box for all the official rules and how long the contest will go for and all that good stuff. But the main thing you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear something about you, so maybe why you like to sew, or why you started sewing, or if you have a crafting memory, or if you don't know how to sew yet, let me know why you want to learn or why you'd like the fabric. I'd love to hear where you're from. I mean, really anything about you, just whatever you want to share, leave it in the description box below. Of course, don't put anything too personal. You know, be smart. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'll also be doing a bonus entry on my Instagram page. So make sure to go check that out as well if you want a bonus entry. So yeah, thank y'all so much for the support and getting me to this milestone. I hope y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you in a video soon. Bye everyone. My earring's about to fall out. Let me fix that. So you'll have all this, and speaking of, really nice, and it is a stretch, I'll be giving a description box for dang, I can't talk, huh?